How to list AliExpress to eBay dropshipping products with KalDrop tool. How to use KalDrop tool Chrome extension. If you want to understand that, then please keep watching this video till end. Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to list AliExpress to eBay dropshipping products with KalDrop tool. Let me tell you first that what is the KalDrop tool. Actually, KalDrop is a non-API software which is used to manage eBay dropshipping products inventory from different suppliers. You can also do eBay to eBay dropshipping with this tool, but in this video I'll show you eBay listing from AliExpress. Let's see how we can do it. Before walking ahead, I have a humble request to all of you guys. If you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. This is KalDrop tool. First of all, log into your account. Now this is the dashboard of KalDrop tool. Because it's a non-API tool, that's why we must need to use KalDrop Chrome extension. Here are some more tabs like Call Finder, Bulk Listings, Listings, Messages, VA Dashboard, Title Builder, Templates, and some more. But those will never work with this web page, so we have to download KalDrop Chrome extension here to log in there and perform tasks what we need. You can download Chrome extension from here, but I will also put this link in the video description below so you can download it without any hassle. Here we can see two products from two different suppliers. One is from eBay and one is from AliExpress. You can use any KalDrop supported supplier to upload items on eBay. Now I'm going to list this AliExpress product. You can do single listing here, or you can also do variations. I want to list single listing, that's why I'm gonna cancel two variations from this product. 2-inch scrubber is fine. Shipping. AliExpress standard shipping is good for me, so I will select it. Before start uploading this item, you can click here to edit it about title, pictures, description, and item specifics. Okay, now just click on KalDrop logo to start create listing. Just after, it will gather all the information we need to list, as we can see here. Okay, now all the information has been created. Now what we have to do it is just check the information if there is anything which is wrong. Create your appropriate title, put custom label here. Check pictures or upload new pictures from here. If you don't know how to download AliExpress variations pictures, then please let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a short video for that. Check item specifics and update it if you would like. Now check description, remove improper words. Set your selling price here. Currently you can see I have eBay business policies in USA, but I'm listing this item for UK and from AliExpress. Please don't confuse on that because it's simple. If you will create listing in UK account, then obviously you can make China policies too there. So if you don't know how to make policies on eBay, then please write down in the comment section below. I will try to make a video on that. I'm not going to publish it, that's why just showing you guys how you can do it. Use China location. Now scroll down and click on list item if you want to list. I'm not going to list it because it was just for educational purpose. I hope you did understand what I explained. But further, if you have any questions, then please write down in the comment section below. Here you can see I have this item now in Chrome extension too. We can edit it from here about changing supplier or eBay ID. For today, it's done. But stay tuned, I will come back soon with the next video. I hope you will like this video. If you have any questions, then please write down in the comment section below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. To take care of yourself and your family.